Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, I am Rosat Mustafa. I am the student of Teacher Professional Education of Muhammadiyah University of Malang. My study program is English. Today I would like to present the video of teaching and learning process by using Zoom meeting and WhatsApp group discussion. The material is about application letter from 12th grade students. I think that's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alright. How's your life? How are you today?
Fine, sir. And you?
Okay, I'm fine. Thank you. I'm great today. So, please, to make sure that you are in a good condition, everybody. So, please show me your smile. Okay. All right. Nice smile. Yeah, you have a nice smile, everybody. Okay. Before we start our lesson, we have to pray first. Maybe could you please, Rohmi, maybe could you please lead us to pray?
Okay, before we starting the lesson, let's pray together. Pray begin. Finish.
Okay, yeah. Okay, students, don't forget to fill the attendance list that I've shared in your WA group. Okay, in order to know who is absent today. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute. Yeah, I'll give you 1 minute to complete the attendance list. So please do it right now, everybody. Okay, sekarang diisi dulu absennya. Okay, Novi, have you finished? Sudah?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Della sudah?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Yeah. Well, students, yeah. Well, during the pandemic COVID-19, yeah, I remind you to obey the hard protocol of COVID-19. Do you know what are they, everybody? Apa saja kira-kira protocol of COVID-19?
Washing our hands, wearing a mask,
Oh, yes.
go
Yes,
outside, and social distancing, sure.
Okay, yeah. The first is washing our hands, wearing a mask if we go outside, and then the last one is social distancing. All right. Although in the pandemic COVID-19 or the pandemic situation, and then you have to learn from home, I hope that you still have motivation, right? You still have a spirit in learning English, especially. All right. Okay, students, are you ready to learn today? Hello.
Yes, I'm ready, sir.
Okay, good. Good. Yeah. All right, students. Did you remember what we have learned in the previous meeting, everybody?
Yes, sure. Last
Okay.
week we learned about conditional sentence like 0 and 1,
Okay,
the
good.
social function, the structure, playing with picture, and make a dialogue in conditional sentence type 0 and 1.
Okay, that's good. Yeah. Last week we learned about the conditional sentence. Yeah, type 0 and 1. Okay. I will ask you, what is conditional sentence type 0? Is anybody want to explain this one?
It does affect all general truths, sir.
Okay, good. Is there anybody want to add the explanation, maybe?
The ground gets wet.
Oke, ya. Itu adalah salah satu contoh dari conditional sentence type 0. It's tell about general truth atau fakta, ya. Ya, tadi contohnya sudah disampaikan sama Novi bahwa contohnya if if it rains, the ground gets wet ya. Jadi kalau hujan ya basah seperti itu ya. Okay, good. I think you have a good understanding here. Okay, students. I will share the presentation here. Okay, wait a minute. Everybody, before we explain the material that you have to learn today, I will ask you questions. Okay, I will ask you some questions here. Okay, Reno has just graduated from his study and he wants to look for a job. Okay, everybody, what will he do? Kira-kira apa yang akan dia lakukan? Seperti itu. Is there anyone to give opinion here? Halo?
Melamar kerja.
Oke, melamar kerja. That's good. Mungkin ada yang lain? Pardon? Louder, please. Mencari lowongan pekerjaan. That's good ya. Jadi ada yang tadi melamar pekerjaan, yang kedua mencari lowongan pekerjaan. Mungkin ada yang lagi? Oke, application letter. Alright ya. Jadi write application letter. Oke, jadi ketika Reno baru saja lulus dari studinya, jadi dia ingin mencari sebuah pekerjaan, apa yang akan dia lakukan? Tadi ada yang mau melamar pekerjaan. Oke, that's good ya. Apply for a job ya. And then the second one is tadi apa tadi? Mencari lowongan pekerjaan ya. Okay, looking for the job vacancy. Okay, good enough. Yeah, and then the last one tadi write a application letter. Ya, jadi itulah apa yang akan dilakukan. That's good. Itu sudah bagus ya. I will show you a video here, but before that, please prepare a piece of paper. Maybe you will write down the information that you get from this video, and then after that, everybody, you have to prepare some question after watching this video. Oke, jadi saya akan memperlihatkan kalian sebuah video. Nanti kalian tulis informasi-informasi penting dalam video ini, and then setelah itu siapkan pertanyaan. Alright, is it clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, enjoy this video, everybody.
What is an application letter? An application letter is a formal letter written to apply for a job. An application letter is an important information and includes reasons for applying for the position. Surat lamaran kerja merupakan surat formal untuk melamar pekerjaan. Surat lamaran kerja memiliki informasi yang penting tentang diri kita dan berisi alasan untuk mengambil posisi tersebut. What is the purpose of the application letter? The purpose of the application letter is to apply for a job. Ada beberapa bagian dalam surat lamaran kerja. Kita cek langsung pada contoh suratnya yuk. 1. Applicant's address. 2. Date. 3. Employer's address. 4. Salutation. 5. Opening paragraph. 6. Body of letter. 7. Closing paragraph. 8. Closing. 9. Signature.
Okay, everybody. But before I explain, I will ask you a question. Maybe you ask me about this material. I will explain about the objective of this lesson, right? Jadi saya akan menjelaskan tentang tujuan pembelajaran yang akan kalian dapatkan dalam pertemuan kali ini atau dalam pembelajaran kali ini. Oke. Jadi tujuannya adalah melalui pembelajaran dengan menggunakan aplikasi Zoom Meeting dan WA Group ya, serta menerapkan pembelajaran cooperative learning ya. Jadi nanti kalian diharapkan dapat yang pertama yaitu menentukan fungsi sosial teks khusus dalam bentuk surat lamaran pekerjaan atau surat lamaran kerja sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. And then number 2, menganalisis struktur teks khusus dalam bentuk surat lamaran kerja sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. And then the third one is membedakan unsur kebahasaan teks khusus dalam bentuk surat lamaran kerja sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. And then the last one is memodifikasi kembali surat lamaran kerja yang memberikan informasi antara lain jati diri, latar belakang atau pengalaman kerja dengan memperhatikan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan secara benar dan sesuai dengan konteks, serta menumbuhkan sikap tanggung jawab, disiplin selama proses pembelajaran, serta mampu bekerja sama ya dan berkomunikasi dengan baik. Oke. Jadi itu adalah tujuan pembelajaran yang akan kalian raih pada pembelajaran kali ini. Alright. Jadi kalian akan mendapatkan you can get the material about the learning process. You can also we can see I can see the discussion here. Saya akan melihat diskusi kalian. What about your discipline here? Ya, your responsibility. Your responsibility itu adalah tanggung jawab. Disiplin, kolaboratif, kerjasama, and then communication. Oke, jadi itu adalah hal-hal yang akan saya lihat kalian dalam pembelajaran ini nanti di diskusi kelompok. Alright? Okay, after watching the video, yeah, is there any question?
Okay, sir. I am still confused about the structure of application letter, sir.
Okay, good question. Yeah, the structure of application letter. Okay, the structure of application letter here. Yeah, the first one is applicant address. Okay, can you mention what in the applicant address here? Kira-kira apa yang ada di applicant address ini? The first is name, and then
phone number,
and then
alamat email,
okay, email address, and then here
alamat,
okay, address. Okay, that's good. The second one is date here, yeah, date. Okay, the date here is written in British style and American style. Okay, all right, and then closing here, yeah, and then the last one is about signature. Okay, is it clear from me?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Thank you.
is there anyone to ask?
I'm sorry, sir.
Okay,
I will ask you a question. What is the social function of application letter, sir?
all right, yeah, that's good. Good question here, yeah. The social function of application letter is apa tadi? To apply for particular position offered by a company or organization. Jadi di sini adalah untuk melamar sebuah pekerjaan. Right? Itu adalah social functionnya. Okay, I think good question here. Okay. Okay, students, is there any question? Is there any question? What about the others? No? No? I will
No.
divide you into group of 4 here, everybody. So please discuss the LKPD that I've shared in your group. Okay, and I will see your activities in your discussion here. And then don't forget to share your idea. I will see your collaboration here. I will see your activities. I will see your responsibility. Yeah, I will see your discipline here in your group discussion. And then to finish your discussion result of this learning. All right. Okay, students, I will close the Zoom meeting session here, and then you have to continue your discussion in our group. All right, and then we will see in the presentation session. All right, students, is it clear? Sudah jelas?
Yes, sir, it is clear.
Okay, good students. I think that's all for this Zoom meeting. I will see your in the next in your presentation. All right. Okay. Good morning, students.
Morning.
Okay. Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Okay. Masih semangat?
Masih.
Okay.
Masih.
Okay.
Masih, Pak. Masih.
Welcome back to the Zoom meeting session. All right. Okay. This time you have to present your the result of your discussion. I will invite the first presenter here, the first group. Okay, the time is yours.
Okay. Good morning.
Okay, good morning.
First of all, I would like to say thank you for the thing opportunity that is given to me. My name is Dela Cici. Now I would like to present the result of our group discussion in group 1. I will present the activity 1.
Okay.
Structure of application letter number 1.
Mhm.
Application address.
Okay.
Explanation. Your name.
Mhm.
Your address. Your telephone number.
Okay.
Your email address. Number 2, date. Explanation. When the date there is a habit, bridge style mode is written first and followed by the end. Here we usually as ordinal number. Number 9, signature. We write down the full name with a signature. I think that's all for me. Thank you for your attention. Good morning.
Morning.
Okay, good morning. Give applause to the first presenter here. All right. Okay, good. Yeah. Okay. Okay, students, group here presented about the group discussion here is good enough, I think. Okay. Is there anyone to give a different opinion, maybe? Okay. What about the others? Maybe for the second group or maybe the third group will give a different opinion, maybe. Okay. The second group, maybe. Bagaimana untuk yang grup kedua atau grup ketiga? Apakah punya pendapat yang lain terkait dengan presentasi yang dilakukan oleh grup pertama tadi?
Tidak, Pak. Hampir sama.
Okay. Okay, you have the same answer here, but I will give feedback about the presentation that you delivered in this time. Okay, the first presenter have a good presentation, I think. So please give applause for the first presenter. All right. Okay, give applause, please. Okay, okay, good. But I think I would like to give feedback. Yeah, in the presentation that you are delivered. Yeah, that's a good presentation. But you have to add, or you have to give explanation, or you have to give example based on the text. All right. Jadi, kalian harus memberikan contohnya di dalam teks tersebut. Yang mana yang opening paragraph, mana yang body of paragraph, di situ kan ada beberapa hal yang harus kalian tulis atau ditulis dalam application letter, ya. Yaitu salah satunya yaitu the works experience. The works experience itu apa? Adalah pengalaman pekerjaan atau background, ya, background of his study atau educational background. Ya, jadi di situ kalian mana yang educational background itu ditulis di situ. Alright. Jadi mana yang educational background ditulis, ini contohnya. Mana yang work experience, pengalaman pekerjaannya mana, itu dituliskan. Jadi lebih jelas. Alright, itu untuk feedback terkait dengan presentasi yang dilakukan oleh the first group tadi. Okay, is it clear? The first group sudah jelas ya kekurangannya ya?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, good. Okay, now I would like to invite the second presenter here. Okay, the time is yours. The second presenter.
Good morning.
Okay.
Morning.
First of all, I would like to say thank you for the chance that given to me. My name is Rahmi Miftahul-Jannah. Now I would like to present the result of our group discussion in group 2. I will present the activity 2. Language future number 1. Use simple present tense. The example of sentence, I am writing to apply for staff administration position posted on the DevJobs window ID. Number 2, use simple future tense. Use simple future tense. The example of sentence, with my qualification, I confident that I will be able to contribute to our company. I think that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Good morning.
Is there any different opinion maybe? Okay. What about the first group? Is there any different opinion?
Tidak, Pak. Jawabannya hampir sama, hanya cara penyampaian atau kata-katanya berbeda.
Okay. Okay. The third group. Maybe the first group. Maybe the first group here. Cici?
Jawabannya hampir sama juga, Pak. Seperti itu.
Okay, I will give a feedback for the second presenter here. Yeah, it's about the third activity in your LKPD. Okay, ya di situ di activity kedua, maaf ya, di activity kedua di situ dinyatakan bahwa kalian harus menganalisa the language feature based on the text, ya, based on the application letter. The first this here, it's about use simple present tense, ya. Use simple present tense di situ adalah penggunaan kata kerja bentuk pertama.
Pertama.
Jadi yang dipresentasikan tadi penggunaan kata kerja bentuk pertama, apakah ini sudah benar? I'm writing to apply for staff administration position, ya, posted on the jobsindo.id. Apakah itu kalimat simple present tense? Apakah itu kalimatnya? Halo?
Iya, Pak.
Oke, jadi ini adalah salah satu contoh kalimat simple continuous tense, ya. Jadi ini adalah salah satu contoh kalimat continuous tense, bukan simple present tense. Jadi mengapa continuous tense? Karena di sini penggunaannya ada kata writing. Oke, jadi I am writing to apply. Jadi kalau penggunaan simple present tense, jadi seharusnya jadi kalimat apa nih perubahannya? Kata bekerja bentuk pertama dari kata writing apa?
Right, Pak.
Right. Jadi I write, gitu ya. Begitu untuk yang simple present tense, ya. Jadi bukan I'm writing tapi I write. Tuh. Karena write di sini adalah penggunaan kata kerja bentuk pertama. And then the second one is use simple future tense here, ya. Jadi penggunaan simple future tense, yaitu di namanya rumusnya apa kira-kira? Patternnya the use of future tense ya. Penggunaan apa? Penggunaan kata apa? Kata will, kan gitu ya? Okay, did you remember for the previous meeting that we did, ya? Ya itu yaitu penggunaan tentang will. Jadi untuk yang future tense you have to write down will here. Jadi ini sudah benar ya. I will be able to contribute to your company. Okay. We move to the last presenter. All right. We move to the last presenter. I invite you to the third group here. Who will present your group discussion here?
Okay. Good morning.
Okay, good morning.
Morning.
First of all, I would like to say thank you for the chance that is given to me. My name is Armelia Novi. Now I would like to present the result of our group discussion in group 3. I will present the activity 3. Activity 3. Reno Sanjaya. Jalan Raya Tahun nomor 5. Di sini alamat dari Reno Sanjaya. Kemudian ada juga nomor telepon dari Reno Sanjaya yaitu 08 52 22 77 66 55. Kemudian ada alamat email yaitu reno.sanjaya@gmail.com. Bengkayang 30 November 2020. Prasta Desain atau alamat yang akan dilamar oleh Reno di Jalan Imam Bonjol nomor 42 Pontianak. Email fbddesign@gmail.com. Di sini ada surat lamaran pekerjaan dari keterangan yang sudah ada di biodata dari Reno Sanjaya. Dear Madam, I am waiting to apply for a job posted on lapakkerja.com for graphic design as requested. I am enclosing a complete job application, my certification, and my resume. Fastrata Design, please contact me on. I also have interpersonal skills, teamwork, hard work, problem solver, respectful, committed, and dynamic. I hope I can get the opportunity to discuss with you about an interview. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you for your time and consideration. Sincerely, Reno Sanjaya. Ya, terima kasih.
Okay. You have done the presentation. Okay, so please give applause everybody for the third presenter here. Okay, good. Okay, I think you did a good presentation about how to modify ya. Jadi di sini apa yang dilakukan Novi tadi perintahnya?
Reno Sanjaya ingin melamar pekerjaan, Pak.
Okay. I think you did well. So please give applause for us. All right. Okay, give applause for us. Okay. Based on my observation, everybody, yeah. Based on my observation about your collaboration in your discussion in group WA, and then your share your idea in group WA, yeah, and then your apa di sini, your assignment that is shared in group WA, and then I would like to say that the third group is the best one. All right. Okay, please give applause for the third group, everybody. Okay. But the last two group don't be sad, alright? Ya, jadi untuk yang kedua grupnya jangan sedih, ya. Because what? Ya, you have to make an improvement in group discussion only, alright? Kalian harus membuat lebih group discussionnya lebih diperbaiki untuk share your idea about your collaboration, ya, about your discussion in group WA, alright? Okay, after this lesson, don't forget to do the test in the form of multiple choice, in Google Form, in order to know your deep understanding, in order to know your deep understanding about the material today, alright? Jadi setelah ini jangan lupa untuk mengerjakan multiple choice, atau pilihan ganda di Google Form yang nanti saya share di WA group. Okay, students, before we end the lesson, can you give me a conclusion maybe? Okay. Is there anyone to give a conclusion? Ada yang mau?
I'm sure.
Okay, good. Armelia.
Today we learn about application letter, the definition,
Right.
the social function,
Right.
explain the structure and language picture of application letter,
Okay.
and modify an application letter.
Okay,
Thank you,
good.
sir.
Okay, good understanding, Armelia. Okay, good. I think. Okay. What about the obstacles? Yeah. Before I end, kira-kira apa kendala selama kalian mempelajari application letter mungkin? Oke, bisa disampaikan, Rohmi? Apakah selama di group discussion-nya, apakah masih cara untuk memahami teks? Silakan. Can you give me reflection of your group discussion maybe, Rohmi? Silakan.
Sedikit kesulitan untuk memahami teks sama cara penulisannya aja sih, Pak.
Okay. Okay, what about the others? Maybe the third group? Yang kelompok 3? Selama kalian mempelajari, selama didiskusi, apakah ada kesulitan?
Mungkin di cara membacanya aja sih, Pak. Kalau dari kami.
Okay. Okay, for the first group. Oke, untuk yang grup pertama?
Sama seperti grup kedua sih, Pak. Cuma dalam penyampaiannya aja.
Oke. Oke. Jadi itu adalah refleksi dari kegiatan kita hari ini. Apa yang kalian sampaikan adalah suatu untuk perbaikan ke depan, ya, sehingga pembelajaran selanjutnya akan jauh lebih baik seperti itu, ya. Oke. Oke, students, I think that's all for today. Okay. But before we end the lesson, we have to pray first. Okay. Maybe Armelia, maybe could you please lead us to pray? Okay. Oke, silahkan Armelia atau yang lain.
Okay. Before finish the lesson, let's pray begin. Finish.
Okay, thank you, Armelia. Okay, I think this is the end of this lesson. I would like to say thank you for you all, yeah, for your attention, for your discussion here. Okay, saya akan mengucapkan terima kasih atas kerjasamanya. And then don't forget, ya, don't forget, keep studying, alright, keep studying, ya, selalu semangat, ya, dalam belajar. Okay. Next meeting, we will learn about the conditional sentence type 2 and 3, alright? Okay, I think that's all for today. Okay, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Okay, bye.
Sorry.